Today I'm going to be taking these boring white walls behind me and I'm going to be installing our neutral tie-dye Nebula mural. It's in our texture material and I'm going to be taking you through steps 1 to 8, left to right, with all the tips and tricks. First things first, I'm going to unroll our mural, and as you can tell, all the panels at the top have a number, and that indicates the order in which you're going to install, going from 1 to 8. I fell in love with all of the tie-dye trends from last year that I saw in fashion, and I felt like we had to carry that over into home decor. Okay, all my panels are numbered, and that sets me up for success. The key to a successful install is making sure that you start it straight. So we always recommend taking out your tape measure, giving yourself about a 1 or 2 inch bleed, and putting your painter's tape and leveling that out to make sure that it's straight. If your first panel's not straight, your whole mural is going to end up crooked and it's going to get worse by the panel. So as long as we have that leveled first tape guide, you're going to be good to go. We always recommend giving yourself bleed on the left and the right side as well as the top and the bottom. This just avoids any potential gaps that can happen from a wall that isn't straight. You're going to have excess material at the top and the bottom. At the end of the install, I'm just going to go over that with a box cutter and make sure that that gets taken off. Here's panel 2. We're going to make sure that we do a butt joint with our texture material so that everything goes directly beside each other here. With abstract murals, it can be a little bit challenging to find where they line up. So I just go to the first place in the panel that has a definitive line. I match that up and then I spread it up and out. If you find that your mural and your panels are separating as you go down, it's easy to just either stretch the material out. It is quite forgiving. Or you can take the panel off as a whole and restart. The panel's starting to separate a little bit. That's not a problem. All you have to do is just pull it towards you. This canvas has a ton of give. You pull it towards the other panel and smooth out any bubbles or creases that might come as a result. Gotten down to the third panel here, and we come across a electrical outlet. This is going to be pretty standard to have 1 or 2 in a full wall install. So all I do is take a flathead screwdriver or even a common kitchen knife, and you take out the screws and place the mural down. You'll then take a box cutter and cut a place for the outlet. Here we come to the other side of the outlet. Just use your box cutter, smooth out the wallpaper. Don't worry about having that perfect edge. It'll be covered by the outlet. Because the textured vinyl has a canvas-like finish, it is a little bit stronger to cut through. So if you have dull box cutters, what you might want to do is get that credit card, put pressure into the corner of the baseboard, peel it slightly away from the wall, and go over where you see the bend line with scissors. So I just finished installing our beautiful Nebula mural, and I couldn't be more excited with how it turned out. We hope you got some helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or anything that you want to see, make sure to leave it in the comments section. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow, and tell us what you want to see next.